we do it, we do some say big up this.
Ah boy.
Stuckers.
Ah boy. Beam Nation.
Oh, no.
Hey, so boy, you do all.
Oh, no.
You do all. Hey, Charlie, Filla ne ba on.
Oh, boy.
And Chebia, Sally Betnasi, and baby, and tentem near Pontem. Now, Stone Boy, yeah, DB, man. That's good, you know what I'm saying? Oh, Stone Boy, you do all. Stone Boy, Eddie, now. Who's that? Why, the first anniversary, and ODA. Why, I fear Mueni. And so far, so good. And he's done something beautiful, something wonderful, something lovely. And, you know, Filla, no, you baby, who's a solid dear concern. You baby, one more to know the Ocondia Benna.
Perfect, Baba is a name.
So well done. Stone Boy.
The man and woman and me say, I love to watch girl dance and wine them body. Kill them with the dirty wine. Continue to do your wine. Let somebody, my girl, yo, and can't stop the shine.
32 after 5.
I'm so, you know,
come from far.
Whenever you hear this,
walk back.
let's waste no time.
JK. Wow, denche.
You know we come from far. We don't watch nobody.
Once again, a happy birthday going out to the CEO of Legacy Capital, Professor Michael Poku. Wishing you God's blessings, good health, and long life from Sylvia of the marketing department here at Multimedia.
The way you are going, it's an the Almighty. Give me the opportunity. Front way, back way, money enter the vicinity. Yeah, till eternity. Your bumper, I'm a shot the world, and no girl can be there. I love to watch girls dance and wine them body. Kill them with the dirty wine. Flex your body, my girl, yo, and can't stop the shine. I see you do and so, you know time.
Okay, and he said, oh, Nyami CCTV, no, not a boss one. Baby, I'm a phobia, who need problem. Oh, get to your shame. What I say? Because 24/7, the CCTV there on you. Ah! And this one is coming from Kim Promise. I know my kind of Ghana Music Awards. I do a pool to rush in the papa's techniques. I'll boot you.
And you're born.
Kim Promise.
So I do know the make chance pass me.
So
make it do your best and use your sense. I show the stress since I put up first. I let them know the rest, they know the test. And your guys so no one can test. So make it tell them. So we do come know the fear them. Baba got it for my side, so no shake.
Yeah, when you're me, on Tonko now on do. On any CCTV, they be and anyone me so. Even if I walk through the valley of death, I know the fear. Every day be your guide. Yeah, when you're me, on Tonko now on do. On any CCTV, they be and anyone me so. Even if I walk through the valley of death, I know the fear. Every day be your guide.
Make you no cry. Say you could be, make you still try. You know, draw money, yeah, when you gosh, it no good way. I pity make you no cry, still try. Say you could be, make you no cry. You know, draw money, yeah, when me die. I don't mean a song, I don't mean a dim, I don't mean a dim, team in China, cheetah. Don't mean a song, I don't mean a dim,
on Tonko now on do. On any CCTV, they be and anyone me so.
mo a mo bɔ me ho pɔ na mo fa me ho tan mo didi masena mo bɔ me sekan mo ma no Thomas so se me twede mo tan mo do me bitu me ni hwe baby kra na me fia Charlie be surround pa me hwehwe ne media senior enipe be kra bubu me ni chia bo nyame onso me mu anka ma ye hyese mu chia wo me ni sa me to na ma no mo twa me to fe wo mo tu me nku ne tema komem wo ne me kama fo wo ne makochen yes Mamente wasena mente wasem okana se musefa wosanka ne mehira no onyame na wahye me bonte na debiano ansana wudi me din ne be ko bebiano kai se wo hwe me wo bedu na wisia no El Shada ye onyame bia ontonko na ondo onini mi CCTV debia nini wo me so even if I walk through the valley of death I know the fear every day be jagaido ye onyame bia CCTV, baby, and anyone so. Even if I walk through the valley of death, I know the fear. Every day be Jagaido, Jagaido. Jim FM.
That's right, y'all. This is 106.3 FM, Ghana's #1 radio station, and this is your own show, Ofie Kwanso, with me, Jerry. Nah, and then Madika catch yourself, Filla, no. Yeah, Pentem, Intem now. Yakona, yeah. The other trust and never point them, you know what I'm saying? It's my Kwanso here. Na eja Concern Association Headquarters International Academy of the Companies of the Multinational Assemblies of the Conferences of the Already I go for Sally. You may wire the power the Sally transition ya ko yanim.
Yeah, mic check,
yes.
1 2. Mic check.
Okay, mic check 1 2, y'all.
Mic
Filla,
check 1 2.
Filla.
Okay,
Filla. This is the Sally with the Filla. Here, y'all. Filla. Daddy.
And my mom is so. It's never.
With I say, can you afford to come down? No, yeah, you bought the yo. I feel no, it's I'm not this. I stand by. Oh, no, if I'm over.
Oh my God.
Now, if you walk on there,
Nebi.
Oh,
fat. It's a man can in fact.
In fact.
What
happened?
Boys here be mamping for pressure.
Almost pressure, man.
Came promise. Hey, then you know say there CCTV.
Yeah, CCTV.
Oh my God. I'm penning for a bebre. Because I'm crying you more yano. A dear dance ye pefe said they are not ready to be boot out of this industry.
Sure.
Now, me my opinion they say. Nanka ye here sa kwode ye wonyom ne so sa. So I say, would you be girl?
You know, anytime you want to say something that I should done on sack side hono, I will challenge you. What I say? But now say over there in I mean, if you say something, maybe master still but on this,
you agree
song,
with me.
I agree with you,
baby.
I mean, sack or no sack on this song,
it would have been CC.
It was because everything was just perfect.
Yes. Yes.
Because your man did the chorus very well.
Mugis.
I mean, our style,
yo.
I mean, that's in the film, no? Or the attorney, oh man.
So we are lost for ways.
So they exist
themselves.
They exist.
Yes, they did
without the rap, no crano. I can still CCTV, you know what I'm saying?
Next time, when we consult here, say you hear rap.
Yeah. Whether it's needed for or not, yeah.
Hey, bro, for some about.
Oh.
When you know why yes, I did, then you America.
Okay.
All
right. Oh yeah. I respect that lady so much. Yeah.
Na no de Father's Day by no di mfonyini ebeto ho of ono ne life partner. Me kra matete se yese waware. No sade ne ma pictures. No fa nkoye nkoto ho ankwala anan. Hey, time be na sister wo ye. 2 yi ne ehun se wo ye. Na wo ba ko kan ho, esa wo ba ko kan ho ne die.
Mo hu ye.
Na menu mi no ye bona baso ana me boa.
Oh yes.
Oba de wo ha no waka wano atom.
Nye omo ne nane na me ya.
Waware ho.
Ye keka nsem yi.
Relationship.
Relationship. Na no ada ba ko say within 5 years 24 relationship.
Anu wako
aden.
Na ba ko so kra so be kan say.
Wa me kan we sa na e dey.
Ba ko so ka say ne picture kra me ma hwe so. No mo de ayo mo ne ama. Ge ka
du ana fe twi.
So enti ye bot na de abaso. Oba de wo relationship na wo aware mu anu wato wanum. There was a reason ti Nyankopon ma ya no ba ko. No ma ya so mienu in order for us to listen more.
Why ready?
Enti Ghana for ma munhu di ababa wo yiye na mosomonye sa.
Okay.
Joyce Bresson.
Yeah, Bresson.
Joyce Bresson. Ono no so ne former manager un chese
one kwasi
minnimu ne ekoso we kotena ha no atwabo we kakra we si we ton pure water oja no we so si onya hit hey seize fire
onya idea moye no
if you say
me kwa me kwasi frame ne man kai kranka me kika madwen chere
so munya idea moye no moko enhihye bi muda to say the air Canada ya a relationship and as a marriage relationship marriage be so and a course on anya ye mo kwa se obi emoto mu bon so obi enu mu bon ye hia ana bra wo hia say wo Joyce Bresson ya ye kan ho asem wo label foforo so it concentrate on making I swerve and you no powerful. Na kwesi so se wo ton pure water o. Ze wo ye nwumo. Na ye. Na munyai se watime waka meni ade no. Emfa hwe ma munyai. Na mpesa me de to aso sa se eye nkura sesem ogitum.
Ai.
Eye nkura
in the highest order.
Any bra can say system dia munya system na boye munyai na mo moving on me pacho weekend ye wo hwa na picture pie e dan fe bi eno na wo majesty wo ho mebo a ye nkosha ye friend say Livingstone dia Sedekle and the din dia na ho yes ye friend no aboy wa hye ne yire ne beyanim atofie wo trasako ho na efeche be say Ghana ho na efeche be bia $500,000 a dime ama wo ba no ware no na we na me request nyum bi ama mo me ma mote ho amubu ma akwasea ai
say de we ni abri
ai me ni abri fa obi wo ho ne ge ne bra
obi anyori
wo ne ge ne bra onya foforo no wa yedai wajai oni pakro na sim enti saa nwum ya na see boy ye friend say me ne wa no me pese tie fi otie mu nsem kakra bi na me kire de enti aye bonyo
This is Adom FM and this is Jerry Justice.
Adom FM.
Opesa, o de anyum de opa
I'm feeling you. I'm bumming you.
And I'm loving you.
And I'm loving you.
Dear catch them for 40 and say, one will be bra.
Yeah.
A Drew says he can't bemwa. Mumma and mano any. Mumma man in the be. Na ayasi juma and kwalashe and kwalania messie. Se wo be mana cross so no. Was I show us yes, and ye juma ketua. Enti munya sika e me man me kama obi bi me kra me mpena dodo e wo me life munya me kama munyina mo ka ho oh life na kra nka ho we 35 to be ma me na ada 35
ton
now face all you say me a guy rough there be bunya matem mo kra ti omo man bi na sa akode so aya ade bi Saturday no I take my words back oh me can no baby say ya buy one on no wo no nware ne da if you say well you swatch dodo na Saturday na abeto dwa say wakoye knock papa chase success ya show ani monyam no say ka nwom no eyi nyum bi na eyi no
Kelsong no
o ka say
Jennifer Lomote
bi bo ho no mo say olupi ho no e ho no
kroboni ba hene da ni sisi
enkanebo si wo ho enkanebo
Oh no.
Enti enyum ni ne ba ma me fa nko ho direct no
direct
Jennifer Jame ho amedi ni suja ebi mpete famo na munye bia soso nye menya ne kane munye ni papa wombo me nkomo wote TV ho da na toto probably ba papa hwene da ni sisi anaju de so o de
abori dia
edwamai
no akoye ho ade
probably ba papa hwene da ni sisi papa hwene da ni sisi probably ba papa hwene da ni sisi konfa no chi de dwamai na bo
ya dwamai fododo obi e de dwamai aboni dua ya adepa he Tracy dwamai why you bia oh where to me my boy ya akoye knocking why ya de na me di ho yawo so oba wo crowd bi to say success nation a boss na untumi ma ye nye wa de fair fire ye mai bi ti mani age wo ho enti adwamane ade bo wudua no sese no why you swama ebe ko ya ma ne tutu ne ba ne fense tutu won titi ai na fe ye nyi titi mfiri album ne so de emfa wo emeto the next album ne so what you say enti me na ha me se wo ba na ade ni free ne ye mbaaye no ya mfa na nto album so ne de akwala ato album so enti ene de yemfa panimu no enso nto album so na adwamamo na ye de bom dua no ye ho se krobofo nko an nya aware na ya asantefo de ye nya bi esemuara
small controversy
number one number one kroma osikani ba ko pa wa ba ha
osikani bele
number one and ya so one nam kwam hwa na omo tonton ni amen na ba ko hu no na brajeri hwe o man fans number one number ko pe ejo osisi adan eja wo hu ni ode ni sika ye eja oba industry mu ko fo be se kum nipa eja corporate event kura wo to be share sports way eja oh fans no
say you so me
oh my god
we say Adom does
you can take love
actually Adom does me
oh my god who ya ma message dem ma monyesa
amai
eba se na how one of your man fans your pen o ye no ho eja tutu jagu eja wa bie art fana what this kind of Mexico fu e wo mo fa ma hia fo oh wo bo boni brania papa se ene me metutu sika ngumo so toto 50 note
I just want to want to be no
ho toto
afedu baby was
monya line na ye toto mamo afedu baby so mo fa camera ne mra ne ntwa
no pani dia sanka baby wadu de ko
ɛno na mebɛka no
watwam baabi ade camera
kyerɛ sika wo de ma no nkama nkurɔfoɔ na nye gyankyɛ no mu ntwitwa na ɔmo mfa mmra na wo saa kaseɛ ntwa wo na wasa de aba bɛto page na nkurɔfoɔ sɛnde so akɔma nkurɔfoɔ a wayɛ bɔne hu wayɛ bɔne paa nam one nyankopɔn pɛ saa nyankopɔn pɛ sɛ woyɛ papa anka wo nsa bonkum kura anka ama ne nhuo na hwehwɛ ne mu papa yɛ 50 Ghana papa yɛ sɛ ɛnyɛ
nsa benkum no ne ho ha
ɛyɛ ne na hura
ne fa yɛ so yɛ yare o
hura ba bɛgyina hɔ nam one yɛserɛ wo ɛgya ɔmo ma wo fans saa no na yɛ sɛ wo kye ɔmo adeɛ na mmom video na apie no a afei wo so ɔmo nyɛ line afei wo so ɔmo nto ɔmo bo ase nyɛ sɛ nipa ne nyina ɛnyɛ bi ɛbɛda abɔnte yɛnyɛ fe anana no publicist nam story ne se na no driver nti wo catch your driver and say video ne yɛmfa nkɔgye yɛdin ana nam one yɛserɛ bra yɛbu paa wo ntade hyɛm wo mpaboa hyɛm wo kaa wo dɛm bibia nti yɛbu paa nti mɛnyɛ yɛ wo ho saa bra kwaku nam one ane yɛde no ɛwrap up
yɛmfa na
nti ɔkyerɛ nyankopɔn boa yɛbɛsa aba nti ɛneɛ
yesi akyerɛ mpi na yɛdɔ ho ase nso bebree
nti ɛneɛ mbɛsa meka ne sɛ ɛsɛ manya new boyfriend bi ɛfrɛ ne Larry Akowia all the way in Bradford, Massachusetts. Massachusetts.
Oh, there be en Canadian.
Massachusetts.
I feel it.
Massachusetts.
Yeah, what's I said?
Oh, there be. I may say hello. Me uncle Canada. And I feel me uncle back so Georgia, Atlanta. Me chio munyina. I feel so. Me mpana ye friend Jerry Justice. We be a me chia.
The force of late.
I was here to see. I'm catch us and because coming up, England and our fate Tunisia. You know, World Cup.